We're in the kitchen. This is the one where we removed 2 layers of rug, 1 layer of linoleum, and then we were down to this original, I guess you'd call it a linoleum tile. Turns out my parents had purchased a box and a few extras of this other color. And this is where the sink and base cabinets were one time before this window was put in. So the original floor was never put here. And you can see what we've done is caulked all the nail holes with white. And it seems to be the smartest idea is to leave it the way it is. It had white in it anyways. We've tried staining, couldn't get the right colors really, and it didn't really look right. We tried to clear caulking, that just didn't even look like the hole was still there even though it was flat. So that's why we ended up going with the white latex caulking. So I have this adhesive, which is something I think I've used years ago and have not used since. Basically it's a yellowish, very sticky material. Luckily it doesn't dry fast, so I'm not really in a hurry to get things down fast because it's not drying fast, and that's great. It really makes it nice for me. And we put some pieces in. We've been cutting them handsaw, and then I did use a utility knife to score it and break it. That worked pretty good, but then I had to sand the edge to get it smooth. Still not bad. I'm going to put another molding along here, so I don't have to have it perfectly tight there. There's going to be another molding on there like there was before at one point. So we're going to, right now I'm putting the mastic, I guess you'd call it, or the glue on the floor. I suppose I could have put it on the back of the tiles and then put them down. So in cases where I can't get the glue thick enough, maybe because of like the corner over there, I did do that. I put a little bit on the back of the tile to put it down. So it's a little slower because we have to cut a little strip here. But we're going to keep working across here. And then we'll come back and caulk any seams that aren't tight. And then we're going to let that all dry, and then we'll be coating this floor.